In this video, you're gonna learn about the Color Target RawImage, a component in the theme management system inside DoozyUI. Let's get started. So, the Color Target RawImage changes the color of a target image depending on the active variant of the selected theme. And here I'm gonna create a RawImage component. And I want to target this color and be able to change it depending on my active variant of my target theme. So I can add a component and I can go to Doozy, Themes, Targets, and here I have Color Target RawImage, or I can simply write here color and select it from the list. I have three themes, another theme, a general theme, and my theme. You can name them whatever you want. And I can see the active variant. In this particular example, variant 1 is the one that is active. Let's also see the themes. So I have 1, 2, and 3. And I can change the active variant. I can change the target color property. And they'll just work. Let's go on accent tool. And you will notice that I have this one. Then we'll have this blue. And then this green. This is how it works. Of course, you can also override the alpha value and make it, let's say, 20% opacity, and it will retain the alpha value regardless of the color that is set here. Right now I'm changing in the editor, but this color can also be changed at runtime. And here we have a portal node and theme node combo. Whenever I click button 1, it will activate the target variant 1. For the button 2, it will be target variant 2. And for the button 3, it will be target variant 3. So basically, you can also use the system at runtime without writing a single line of code. So I'm gonna close this. Let's enter play mode. And just by clicking 1, 2, 3, you will see that the graph gets activated and that we can change the colors. 1, 2, 3, and it got active here. And we can also see the theme, how it changes the active variant. So 1, 2, and 3. And that's it for the Color Target RawImage. Thank you.